Hello, welcome back. I hope you're all having a good day. Alright, you ready for this one? Simple lemon risotto. And it really is. It's simple, it's delicious. I just eat it on its own, but you can have it with fish, it goes with chicken, lamb, like, it's really versatile, it's bloody awesome. So I'll write the recipe below as always for you guys. So today, what we're going to need is 80 grams of butter, and we want to chop that in half. We need a normal size onion, but I've only got little ones, so I'm going to use a couple. We need some aborio rice, chicken stock, so we need, I think it's 1 1/4 litres of chicken stock, so you're going to have to grab a couple of them. We need fresh lemon, some fresh parsley, and some parmesan cheese. Alrighty, let's do this. Okay, first thing we want to do is peel our onions and chop them up really small. We want to chop our parsley into 2 tablespoons of parsley. Once we've done that, now we want 2 teaspoons of lemon rind, okay? So you just want to get a little grater, and we just want to grate just the yellow off all the way around, okay? Just the yellow. And roughly 1 decent sized lemon will be 2 teaspoons. Lemon juice, so I'll just squeeze half a lemon, and then grab yourself one of these little bad boys, these little strainers. We'll just set that aside for a minute till we need it. Now we want to measure out 2 cups of the aborio rice and just stick it in the bowl so we're ready to go. Alrighty, now we've got everything ready to go. The next thing we want to do is get out a medium saucepan. Now in that medium saucepan we want to put 1 1/4 litres of chicken stock. That's equal to 5 cups. Now this is what we're going to do. You want to keep our cup measurement handy for when we start cooking everything. Is we want to put that on the stove top now. We want to bring it up to the boil. Just as it goes to start to boil, whack in our lemon rind and our 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give that a mix through. And now as soon as it starts to boil, I'm going to turn it down to low, put the lid on, and it's just going to sit there and stay hot while we start doing everything else. Now we need a large saucepan, and we want to put it on a medium heat. Now we want to add half our butter. Alright, once it gets hot enough on my stupid electric stovetop, we want to chuck in our onion, and we want to fry it up for a couple of minutes until it's see-through. Alrighty, a couple of minutes later we've got our onion see-through. Now we want to chuck our other lump of butter in there and melt that down. Now our butter's melted, we want to put our 2 cups of rice in there. And we want to mix it in really, really well until all the rice is covered in butter. Once all our rice is covered in butter, we now want to turn it down to a low heat. We want to get our first cup of our hot stock, and we want to put it in there. And now what we want to do is we're just going to, you need to, like for something like this, grab a stool or something and sit by the stove top. It's the easiest way to do it. So we just want to stir it. Make sure you stir it every minute or 2 so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And this is going to like simmer away lightly, and then after a few minutes or so, all the juice will be gone. As soon as all the juice is gone, okay, so that was like 5 minutes later. See how I can go like that and I can see the bottom? That means all the juice is gone. Alright, now we want to put in our next cup. And we want to do the same thing, mix it through until all the juice is gone. And then the next cup and the next cup, and it should be about half an hour to 35 minutes later. 5 cups of stock later, a bit of love, a bit of patience, and we've got this gorgeous, creamy risotto. Only thing left to do is serve her up. Now you're supposed to do it with parmesan cheese, but I got mine out and it ended up being disgusting. So what I've done is I've got some tasty grated cheese, and I've just chopped it up a lot smaller. So either normal cheese or your parmesan, fresh parmesan if you love it. It's absolutely beautiful with it. Alright, then we just want to sprinkle some of that cheese on. Chop fresh parsley. Wedge of lemon. What a gorgeous, healthy meal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and it's going to be pissing down with rain over the next few days, so I'm going to smash out a heap of recipes. So I will see you soon. Bye.